Hi everyone! If you are curious about the Rednote app and wondering on how to download it on the iPhone, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rednote app in the iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Then open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now tap onto the search option at the bottom. Then tap onto the search bar and type Rednote and search for it. Then here you can find the Rednote app on the first option. Now tap on it. Now if you have already downloaded the Rednote app, you will see the cloud-like button and you can tap on it. And you are downloading it for the first time, then you will see something like this, which is the Get option, and you can simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, the app will be downloaded and it will be ready to open. And that's it. This is how you can download the Rednote app on the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.